Hello, dear friends. In the previous lecture, we have discussed that if we are given a question in form of factorial, we can convert this question into a form which does not contain the value of factorial. And in the next question, we have discussed that if we are given the question in the form free from factorial, then we can convert this number into a form which contains factorial. This is very easy, we have discussed in the previous examples. Next, we can see some more examples regarding to this concept. There is a 7.1 exercise which is about factorial. Question number 1 is very simple. Here we are set to find the values of these factorial terms. So question number 1 is 4 factorial. 4 factorial is easy to evaluate because this is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 2 multiplied by 1. So 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, this is equal to 24 because 4 threes are 12 and 12 twos are 24. This is very simple question. In the similar way, we can see that 6 factorial is equal to 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 2, and lastly when we multiply it 1, then there is no matter. This is equal to 720. Here Here is question which is similar like previous example number 1. Here is 8 factorial over 7 factorial. So my question is, which value we can evaluate here or break? So the answer is biggest value, because in the biggest value when we evaluate 7 factorial can come, but here if we evaluate this value cannot make the above value. So 7 factorial and 7 factorial I'll cancel out. This is 8, so answer is 8. Next is 10 factorial over 7 factorial. 10 is bigger value, so we break it. 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 and multiplied by 7 factorial over 7 factorial. This is equal to 720. This is very easy. And next is 11 factorial over 4 factorial into 7 factorial. So 11 factorial is equals to 11 dot 10 dot 9 dot 8 dot 7 factorial. So 11 here 7 factorial can be 7 cancelled with 7 factorial. If we multiply above number and divide this number by 24, we will get 330. Next, 6 factorial over 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So 6 factorial can be break down as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. So 3 factorial, here 3 factorial. So 3 factorial one time cancelled out, but here the value of 3 factorial is 3, 2 and 1. We put this value, and 3 twos are 6, 6 can be cancelled out, and 5 fours are 20. This is our answer. Next is question number 7, which is equal to 8 factorial over 4 factorial 2 factorial. So 8 factorial can be written as 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 and 4 factorial. This is very easy. We can see that this is a very easy concept about factorial terms, and then multiplying this number 4 factorial can be cancelled out, and division by 2 we will get 840, which is our required result. And the eighth one is 11 factorial over 2 factorial into 4 factorial into 5 factorial. So when we solve this question, then answer is 6930. This is similar like the previous question, so I suggest to you to solve yourself. Next is question number 9. So how to solve this question? This is also very easy. 9 factorial over 2 factorial into 9 minus 2 factorial. So 9 factorial, 8 factorial over 9 minus 2 is the 7 factorial, and 2 factorial means 2.1. So above is, here 7 factorial is cancelled with 7 factorial, 9.8 over 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 9 fours are 36. This is our answer. Here is the question number 10. 15 factorial over 15 factorial into 15 minus 15 factorial. So above is the 15 factorial. Here is the 15 factorial. 15 minus 15 is 0 factorial. So 1 factorial. Here is the 15 factorial. Here 1 factorial over 0 factorial. So 1 factorial is 1 and 0 factorial also 1. So 1 over 1 answer is 1. 3 factorial over 0 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. So this is equal to 6. Next is question number 12. Question number 12 me here 4 factorial multiply 0 factorial multiply 1 factorial. So 4 factorial means 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So next multiplication is 1, 1 and 24. So write, next question is write each of the following in the form of factorial. So 6, 5 and 4. We multiplied this number with 3 factorial because this will become 6 factorial, and below this is also 3 factorial. So 6 factorial over 3 factorial is our required term. Next is the question 12 factorial, 11 factorial, 10 factorial, and 12 factorial, 11 factorial, 10 factorial, 9 factorial. This is very easy, dear friends. You can solve these questions. Similarly, here is the third part. This is also very easy. You can see that we can multiply and divide this by 16 factorial. Similarly, here is also 6 by 16 factorial. Similar fashion, similarly, we can see that this is very easy question, and you can solve all these questions easily. This is very easy. So I hope you will solve them. And in the next lecture, we will discuss the concept of permutations.